Hello everybody, here's a look at my paper shredder. I got this cheap as free. One of the places I used to work for was closing down their office, so I didn't have a paper shredder, so I took this home. It's a Nuova AS892C. It worked great until it didn't. I was speaking with JK18 about it, and he thinks probably the gear has stripped off of the shaft, so that's probably likely. This is what it does. The motor just free spins now. I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on with it. I've got the shredder portion removed from the base. It also has had this problem for many years where this guide has broke in one spot, and that causes it to jam up right there. I have to periodically pull some paper out with some pliers, needle nose pliers, and get it going again. Here's the data tag. 2.2 amps. Almost as powerful as that right there. Let's take it apart. Okay, so I may have got this where it will work. Apparently this is the worm gear. What had happened is it jammed up completely and flattened the gear out here just a little bit. I took a file and cut some grooves back in it, or cut the teeth back in it a little bit. So what I did is I went over here and got one of my bastards out. I'm not making this stuff up now. I got the triangular shaped one. Put the old gear in the vise very carefully, following the same angle. It got that motion right there till I was satisfied that it might sort of work, kind of work. Works good enough. It's not perfect, but before I did that, it would get to that point on the bad spot of the gear and it would just stop. The motor would free spin and it wouldn't do anything. See there? It will at least turn the gear now. So that's an interesting turn of events. Here's one to look out for. There's a little clip here. I need to take that clip out, remove this gear, where I can get access to that screw right in the center of the screen. And then this gray plastic piece should come right off. As a final step, I put a little bit of oil on the gear pulleys. As you can see, several of the teeth are broken off on those guides. So I'll just have to remember to go more on this side for my paper shredding. I'll just run it till it doesn't run, I guess. So yeah, let's get it back together. All reassembled. Let's shred some paper. See what happens. I have some junk mail to shred. Let's see if it works. Put it on auto. Hey, it works. Doesn't sound the greatest, but it's working. Let's see. So I guess it is possible to fix a paper shredder. Once again, this has been the disassembly and repair of the Nuova AS892C paper shredder. Thank you for watching.